Annual day comes and goes, leaving behind lasting memories to ponder. Mind-blowing performances, music, song, dance mixed together brings joy and happiness to refresh the mind unforgettable anniversary. At last, the much-awaited annual day extravaganza, which brings lots of entertainment and amusement in the form of mind-blowing performances like song, dance, and music, which all the students, parents, and guardians were looking forward with a bated breath, has come, and this beautifully decorated canopy, covered with colorful stage, dazzling with floodlights, is reminiscent of that precious moment. To add grandeur and luster to the celebration, present on the stage are our much valued, dignified, honorable guests, the principal and chairperson of the meeting, respected Purnachandra Sahu, chief guest Honorable Suresh Bari, adorable speaker Pratap Chandra Das, and guest of honor Ekadasi Malik. The principal of second campus of the school, Revered Pratap Chandra Raut Rai, the founder and chairman of the school, Mr. Abhimanyu Malik, Secretary Ma'am Srimati Premalita Malik. Really, we feel honored and glorified for the august presence of our adorable guests who have taken pen to come here to attend this celebration and encourage us. The celebration would remain incomplete without mentioning about parents, teachers, non-teachers, and last but not least, the students who have gathered here in the large number to make this celebration a success. I am also thankful to all those who have contributed in various ways for the grand success of the celebration. Taking the opportunity of this moment, I am Kashish Panda, teacher of the school, going to put before you the annual report of the school. Born in the year 2010 as St. Joseph Public School and later converted to St. Joseph Group of Institutions. Now running St. Joseph Public School, CBSE pattern having classes from nursery to standard 10, and St. Joseph Plus 2 Science Residential Coaching Institution. CHSE pattern is the premier English medium school in the locality, catering to the need of people teaching their children in English medium. Planted as a tender plant with only 2 classes, nursery and LKG, and a few number of students. The school now has grown to become a huge tree with 902 students, 39 teachers and 33 non-teachers. In view of growing number of students and to avoid the crowded atmosphere, the school now functions in the 2 campuses. Campus number 1 in front of Akarpada Mosque, encompassing classes nursery to standard 7, and campus 2 adjacent to Naripur Model School, accommodating classes from 8 to plus 2 science. The school runs in 2 shifts, morning shifts from 7 am to 10:30 am for classes nurseries to standard 1, and day shift from 10:30 am to 4 pm for classes 8 onwards. The teachers on whom rests the whole edifice of educational structure are the backbone of teaching learning process. They serve as the hub about which bears the wheel of education. They are the friend, philosopher and guide of the students. Keeping this in view, the teachers are recruited meticulously through written tests, classroom teaching and personal interview. Now we have a young group of highly qualified, trained and experienced teachers who teach the students with a missionary zeal. School-going students are usually tender in age and soft at heart. Away from home during school hours, they need homely atmosphere in the school. Most of our teachers are ladies who teach the students with motherly love. Elaborate arrangements have been made to make teaching and learning accessible to students. The students have been divided into 3 groups, and each group has been kept under the guidance of a head teacher. The head teacher education. Students remain at the receiving end of teaching learning process. All possible steps conducive to teaching and learning have been taken to make the students understand the teaching point easily. Periodical examinations, both formative and summative, dictation of notes and regular checking of copies, smart classes with audio-visual provisions to make teaching more attractive, computer classes, laboratory tests of scientific truths, library facilities and use of digital blackboard instead of chalk and duster constitute integral part of teaching and learning. On the other hand, debate competitions, essay writing, song, dance, writing, drawing, painting competitions are held to unfold the innate hidden potencies of the student. So far, 4 batches of class 10 students and 1 batch of plus 2 second year science students have appeared at their final examination and have come out with flying colors. This year, 37 students of class 10 and 38 students of plus 2 second year have appeared at the CBSE and CHSE examinations respectively. Our foremost student of the school, R.B. Shivam, have qualified in the NEET examination and now pursuing MBBS course of study. Celebrations like Annual Day, Annual Sports, Independence Day, Republic Day, Ganesh Puja, Saraswati Puja, Sarala Mela, Teachers Day and Children's Day are occasionally held when students get opportunity to come out of the strict discipline, monotone and gloomy atmosphere of the classroom, teaching and breathe in fresh air to refresh their mind. At last, the moment they come in close contact of the teachers and understand our cultures and national importance. Sometimes outings and environmental tours are held to give exposure to the students to the outer world. The school provides boarding facility to the students coming from far off places with nominal charges. Their well-being and studies is supervised under the guidance care of warden, matron and other officials of the school. The credit for the spectacular growth and expansion of the school goes to the parents of our students. The school is like an industry and the students are like the raw material of that industry. Without students, the school has no existence. We are grateful to the parents for the faith and trust they have bestowed on us by choosing our school for the education of their children. We expect continuance of such faith in future. We on our part assure the parents to do the best to fulfill the hope and aspiration of the parents. For this, we occasionally hold parents-teacher meeting and invite their suggestions for the improvement in their standards of teaching and learning. Not only that, we also send our teachers for the dog visit of parents to apprise them about the standard of their children in study. Education is a cooperation and coordination between parents and teachers, which is necessary for the success of education. Let us join our hands and work in union to achieve the end. Last, I thank you all for giving me a patient hearing. With this, I conclude submitting the annual report of the school. Thank you.
दिवस आसे हो जाए यह किछि नुहे अचंबित वार्षिक दिवस भी आसे आ जाए किंतु देई जाए स्मृति अविस्मृत नाच गीत बाद्यर ए मिलित मूर्छना हरस धरे मनरे केबे भूलित हुए ना। शुभ संध्या। अवशेष से ही बहु प्रतीक्षित महान वार्षिक दिवस आज आंभमान निकट में उपगत जहाँ समस्त विद्यार्थी छात्र पितामाता अभिभावक साधारण दर्शक उत्कंठा उत्साह उद्दीपना आग्रह अतिशय सारा वर्ष थे अपेक्षारत आलोक बन्यारे प्लावित चारु चंद्रदप सुसज्जित चाकचक्य भरा ए सदृश मंडप से ही बहु अपेक्षित मुहूर्तर स्मारक। वार्षिक दिवस पालन उत्सव को महिमा मंडित गरिमामय हृदयग्राही तथा आकर्षणीय करने आम आमंत्रण मान रक्षा करी आम्भमान गहन मंडपर शोभावर्धन पूर्वक विराजित अच्छा समस्त आदरणीय बहु सम्मानीय महानुभव महाभाग अतिथिवृंद विद्यालय अध्यक्ष और सभार परिचालक पूर्णचंद्र साहू महोदय आज विशेष आकर्षण मुख्य अतिथि सुरेश कुमार बारिक बागपटु मुख्य वक्ता श्रीजुक्त एकादशी मल्लिक सम्मानित अतिथि प्रताप कुमार दास उपाध्यक्ष प्रताप चंद्र राउतराय महोदय विद्यालय प्रतिष्ठाता तथा सभापति अभिमन्यु मल्लिक महोदय और संपादिका श्रीमती प्रेमलता मल्लिक महोदय महामान्य अतिथिवृंद से व्यस्तबहुल जीवनर किसी समय उत्सव में योगदान करिथिबारु कृतज्ञता जणाइबा सह निजको गौरवान्वित मन करुछि। एतद् व्यतीत विद्यालयर समस्त शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री छात्र पितामाता अभिभावक शिक्षा कर्मचारी सांबादिक बंधुगण साधारण दर्शक एवं सर्वोपरि छात्र छात्री बहु संख्यार जोगदे ଏହି ଅବସରରେ ମୁଁ ସୁପ୍ରଭାମଞ୍ଜରୀ ମିଶ୍ର ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ଶିକ୍ଷୟିତ୍ରୀ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସମ୍ମୁଖରେ ଉପସ୍ଥାପନ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ବାର୍ଷିକ ବିବରଣୀ। 2010 ମସିହାରେ ସେଣ୍ଟ ଜୋସେଫ ପବ୍ଲିକ ସ୍କୁଲ ନାମରେ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇଥିବା ଆମର ଏହି ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସମୟରେ କଳେବର ବୃଦ୍ଧି ଯୋଗୁଁ ସେଣ୍ଟ ଜୋସେଫ ଗ୍ରୁପ ଅଫ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁସନ୍ସ ନାମରେ ପୁନଃନାମିତ ହୋଇଛି। ସମ୍ପ୍ରତି ଏହା ଅଧୀନରେ CBSE ଅଧୀନସ୍ଥ ସେଣ୍ଟ ଜୋସେଫ ପବ୍ଲିକ ସ୍କୁଲ ଏବଂ CHSE ଅଧୀନସ୍ଥ ଯୁକ୍ତ 2 ବିଜ୍ଞାନ ଦିବା ତଥା ଆବାସିକ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ ନାମକ ଦୁଇଟି ଶିକ୍ଷାନୁଷ୍ଠାନ ସଞ୍ଚାଳିତ ହେଉଅଛି। ସେଣ୍ଟ ଜୋସେଫ ପବ୍ଲିକ ସ୍କୁଲର ନର୍ସରୀ ଠାରୁ ଦଶମ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଓ ଯୁକ୍ତ 2 ବିଜ୍ଞାନ ଶ୍ରେଣୀର ପ୍ରଥମ ଓ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ବର୍ଷର ବିଦ୍ୟାର୍ଥୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ଶିକ୍ଷାଦାନ କରାଯାଉଅଛି। ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ବୃଦ୍ଧି ଆବଶ୍ୟକତାକୁ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିରେ ରଖି ଦୁଇଟି ପରିସରରେ ଶିକ୍ଷାଦାନ କରାଯାଉଅଛି। ପ୍ରଥମ ପରିସରରେ ନର୍ସରୀ ଠାରୁ ସପ୍ତମ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପିଲାମାନେ ପଢୁଥିବା ବେଳେ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ପରିସରରେ ଅଷ୍ଟମ ଠାରୁ ଯୁକ୍ତ 2 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପିଲାମାନେ ପାଠ ପଢୁଅଛନ୍ତି। ଏତଦ୍ ବ୍ୟତୀତ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରାତ ବିଭାଗ ଓ ଦିବା ବିଭାଗ ନାମକ ଦୁଇଟି ଭାଗରେ ବିଭକ୍ତ କରାଯାଇଅଛି। ପ୍ରାତ ବିଭାଗରେ ନର୍ସରୀ ଠାରୁ ପ୍ରଥମ ଶ୍ରେଣୀ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପିଲାମାନେ ପ୍ରାତ 7 ଘଟିକାରୁ 10 ଘଟିକା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପଢୁଥିବା ବେଳେ ଦିବା ବିଭାଗରେ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ଶ୍ରେଣୀ ଠାରୁ ଯୁକ୍ତ 2 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପିଲାମାନେ 10:30 ଘଟିକାରୁ ଅପରାହ୍ନ 4 ଘଟିକା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପାଠ ପଢନ୍ତି। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟରେ ସର୍ବମୋଟ 39 ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଶିକ୍ଷୟିତ୍ରୀ, 33 ଅଣଶିକ୍ଷକ, 900ରୁ ଉର୍ଦ୍ଧ୍ୱ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ଅଧ୍ୟୟନ କରୁଅଛନ୍ତି। ପ୍ରାରମ୍ଭରୁ ମାତ୍ର 2 ଗୋଟି ଶ୍ରେଣୀ ନର୍ସରୀ ଓ LKG ଏବଂ ହାତଗଣତି କତିପୟ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କୁ ନେଇ ଏକ କ୍ଷୁଦ୍ର ଚାରା ରୂପେ ରୋପଣ କରାଯାଇଥିବା ଆମର ଏହି ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ କାୟ ବିସ୍ତାର କରି ଏକ ବିରାଟ ଦ୍ରୁମରେ ପରିଣତ ହେବା ସହ ଚତୁର୍ଦିଗକୁ ବିଦ୍ୟାଲୋକ ବିଚ୍ଛୁରଣ କରିଚାଲିଛି ଏବଂ ବାଲିଚନ୍ଦ୍ରପୁର ଅଞ୍ଚଳର ଏକ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଇଂରାଜୀ ମାଧ୍ୟମ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟରେ ପରିଣତ ହୋଇଛି। ଶିକ୍ଷାଦାନ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟାର ମେରୁଦଣ୍ଡ ସ୍ୱରୂପ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ସମାଜ ପୃଷ୍ଠରେ ସମଗ୍ର ଶିକ୍ଷା ସହିତ ଦଣ୍ଡାୟମାନ। ସେମାନେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ନାଭିକେନ୍ଦ୍ର ସଦୃଶ, ଯାହା ଚତୁଃପାର୍ଶ୍ୱରେ ଶିକ୍ଷା ଚକ୍ର ଘୁରି ବୁଲେ। ଶିକ୍ଷକମାନେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କର ବନ୍ଧୁ, ଦାର୍ଶନିକ ଓ ଦିଗ୍ଦର୍ଶକ। ଏହି ଆବଶ୍ୟକତାକୁ ପୂରଣ କରିବା ନିମିତ୍ତ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟରେ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ଦିଆଯାଇଥିବା ଶିକ୍ଷକମାନଙ୍କୁ ଲିଖିତ ପରୀକ୍ଷା, ଶ୍ରେଣୀଗୃହ ପାଠପଢ଼ା ଓ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ ସାକ୍ଷାତକାର ଭଳି ଜଟିଳ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟା ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଚୟନ କରାଯାଏ। ସମ୍ପ୍ରତି ଆମ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟରେ ଉଚ୍ଚ ଡିଗ୍ରୀଧାରୀ ତାଲିମପ୍ରାପ୍ତ ଅଭିଜ୍ଞ ଯୁବକ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଶିକ୍ଷୟିତ୍ରୀ ବୃନ୍ଦ ଶିକ୍ଷାଦାନ କର୍ମରେ ନିଯୁକ୍ତ ଅଛନ୍ତି। ଏହି ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଶିକ୍ଷୟିତ୍ରୀମାନେ ଶିକ୍ଷାକୁ ଏକ ବ୍ରତ ରୂପେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରି ଅତି ନିଷ୍ଠାର ସହ ଶିକ୍ଷାଦାନ କରନ୍ତି। ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ଉଭୟ ପରିସରରେ 2 ଜଣ ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷ ଓ 3 ଜଣ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ଦିଆଯାଇଛନ୍ତି। ପ୍ରମୁଖ ଶିକ୍ଷକମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଅଧୀନରେ ଥିବା ଶିକ୍ଷକମାନଙ୍କ ଦୈନନ୍ଦିନ ଶିକ୍ଷାଦାନ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଅନୁଧ୍ୟାନ କରିବା ସହ ସେ ସମ୍ପର୍କିତ ବିବରଣୀ ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷମାନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିଥାନ୍ତି। ଅପରପକ୍ଷେ ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷଦ୍ୱୟ ଶିକ୍ଷକମାନଙ୍କର ଶ୍ରେଣୀଗୃହ ପାଠ୍ୟଦାନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟବେକ୍ଷଣ କରିବା ସହ ପାଠ୍ୟଦାନରେ ଉନ୍ନତି ଆଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଆବଶ୍ୟକ ସ୍ଥଳେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ଓ ସହଯୋଗ ମଧ୍ୟ କରିଥାନ୍ତି। ସମୟ ସମୟରେ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠାତା ଓ ଅଧ୍ୟକ୍ଷମାନଙ୍କ ଉପସ୍ଥିତିରେ ଶିକ୍ଷକମାନଙ୍କୁ ନେଇ ବୈଠକ ବସି ଶିକ୍ଷାଦାନ ସମ୍ପର୍କିତ ସମସ୍ୟାବଳୀ ସମ୍ବନ୍ଧରେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରାଯାଏ ଏବଂ ଏଥି ନିମିତ୍ତ ବିହିତ ପଦକ୍ଷେପ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରାଯାଏ। ଶିକ୍ଷା ପଦ୍ଧତି ସର୍ବଦା ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନଶୀଳ। ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତିତ ପଦ୍ଧତି ସହ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଶିକ୍ଷୟିତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ଅବଗତ କରାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଅଭିଜ୍ଞ ଶିକ୍ଷକମାନଙ୍କ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଗ୍ରୀଷ୍ମ ଅବକାଶ ଓ ଅନ୍ୟ ଅବକାଶ ସମୟରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ତାଲିମ ଦେବାର ସୁଯୋଗ ଦିଆଯାଏ। ସମଗ୍ର ଶୈକ୍ଷିକ ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ହିଁ ଉଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ। ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟକୁ ଏକ ଶିଳ୍ପ ବିବେଚନା କରାଗଲେ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ସେହି ଶିଳ୍ପର କଞ୍ଚାମାଲ ସଦୃଶ। ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ବିନା ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ଅସ୍ତିତ୍ୱ ପରିକଳ୍ପନା ମଧ୍ୟ ଅସମ୍ଭବ। ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଶୈକ୍ଷିକ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟାକୁ ସହଜ, ସରଳ ଓ ବୋଧଗମ୍ୟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସମସ୍ତ ପ୍ରକାର ସୁବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା କରାଯାଇଛି। ଶିକ୍ଷାରେ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କର ଅଗ୍ରଗତି ପରିମାପ ନିମିତ୍ତ 2ଟି ଗଠନାତ୍ମକ ଓ 2ଟି ପରିସମାପ୍ତି ସୂଚକ ପରୀକ୍ଷା କରାଯାଇଥାଏ। ଏତଦ୍ ବ୍ୟତୀତ ପ୍ରସଙ୍ଗ ସମ୍ପର୍କିତ ପରୀକ୍ଷା, ପ୍ରସଙ୍ଗ ଉପରେ ନୋଟ୍ ଦେବା, ଶ୍ରେଣୀକର୍ମ ଓ ଗୃହକର୍ମର ଖାତା ନିୟମିତ ଦେଖିବା, କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ଶିକ୍ଷା, ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ ସୁବିଧା ଓ ବିଜ୍ଞାନଗାର ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଆଦି ଶିକ୍ଷାନୁଷଙ୍ଗିକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଉପଲବ୍ଧ କରାଯାଏ। ପାଠ୍ୟଦାନକୁ ଅଧିକ ଆକର୍ଷଣୀୟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ଶ୍ରେଣୀରେ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦୃଶ୍ୟ ଶ୍ରାବ୍ୟ ପଦ୍ଧତିରେ ଶିକ୍ଷାଦାନ କରାଯାଏ। ପୁନଶ୍ଚ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଲୁକାୟିତ ଅନ୍ତଃ ପ୍ରତିଭାର ଉନ୍ମିଳନ ପାଇଁ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟରେ तर्क प्रतियोगिता, प्रबंध लेखन, संगीत, नृत्य, हस्तकर्म आदि प्रतियोगिता मध्य करा जाय थाए। विद्यालय में वार्षिक उत्सव, क्रीड़ा उत्सव, स्वाधीनता दिवस, विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी, साधारणतंत्र दिवस, गणेश पूजा, सरस्वती पूजा, सारला मेला आदि सांस्कृतिक, सामाजिक और जातीय दिवस गुड़िक बहु आडंबर सह पालन करा जाए। एही समय में छात्र छात्री माने आबद्ध श्रेणीगृहर कठोर श्रृंखला एवं मानसिक अवसादग्रस्त अवस्था मुक्त होई विद्यालय परिसर में मुक्त वायुमंडल में घूरी बुलवार सुजोग पाती। एही समय में सेमाने भरपूर मनोरंजन पाइबा सह शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री मानक सह स्वच्छंदरे मिसी सेमानक निकटरू जानिबार सुजोग मध्य पाती। समय समय रे छात्र छात्री मानकु परिवेश परिभ्रमण और वनभोजी भली कार्य बाहर को बुलाई निया जाए। एहा फଳରେ सेमाने बाह्य जगत संपर्क में ज्ञान आहरण करती। एजावत विद्यालय 4 गोटी बैच 10म श्रेणी एवं गोटे बैच युक्त 2 छात्र छात्री सफलतार सह उत्तीर्ण हो सारी। ए वर्ष 10म श्रेणी में 37 जन और युक्त 2 रे 38 जन छात्र छात्री शेष परीक्षा देइछन्ति। विद्यालय दृष्टि आकर्षणकारी बुद्धि और प्रसारण में छात्र छात्री मानकर पितामाता और अभिभावक मानकर अवदान को मध्य अस्वीकार करा जाय परिबो नाही। सेमानकर सहयोगर हस्त प्रसारण बिना आमे आज एही स्तर रे पहुंचीबा संभवपर होई पारनथांता। आम मानक उपरे विश्वास और आस्था स्थापन करी सेमानक पिला मानकु आम विद्यालय रे पढ़ाउथिबारु सेमाने धन्यवाद पात्र। एथिपई आमे सेमानक निकट रे कृतज्ञ। भविष्यत रे मध्य आम मानक उपरे थिबा आस्था और विश्वास अतुट रहिबो बोली आमे आशा पोषण करूछु। विद्यालय रे बेले बेले अनुष्ठित हेउथिबा शिक्षक अभिभावक सभा माध्यम रे छात्र पितामातांकर मत निया जाय शिक्षादान क्षेत्र में सृष्टि हेउथिबा समस्यार समाधान पाई पदक्षेप मत निया जाय शिक्षादान क्षेत्र में सृष्टि हेउथिबा समस्यार समाधान पाई पदक्षेप निया जाय थाए। एपरि कि हमर शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री माने पितामातांको गृह को जाई सेमानक पाठ पढ़ारे पिलामानंको अग्रगति संपर्क में अवगत करांती। वार्षिक परीक्षा शेष में पिलामानंको दिया जाउथिबा प्रगति पत्र माध्यम पिलामानंको स्थिति संपर्क में सूचना दिया जाय थाए। शिक्षादान और ग्रहण प्रक्रिया एक सहयोग और सहभागिता भित्तिक प्रक्रिया। पितामाता और शिक्षक मानकर सक्रिय सहयोग बिना सफलता पाइबा असंभव। आसंतु पिलामानकर भविष्य गठन पाई आमे सहयोगर हस्त प्रसारण करिबा। शेष में आपण माने धैर्य सहकारे मोर दीर्घ विवरणी शुणिथिबारु मु आपनकु समस्तको धन्यवाद जणाई विवरणी पाठ को समाप्त करूछि।
2025-26 रो प्राइज रो विजेता होचंती ताकर अध्यावसाय कठिन परिश्रम शिक्षक प्रति सम्मान जड़े जड़े ओबीडिएंट स्टूडेंट वर्तमान मु अनुरोध करी आमर चेयरपर्सन फाउंडर मेंबर अभिमान सर को से स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर प्राइज दबा पाई एवं अन्य समस्त अतिथि मान अनुरोध करी से माने तको उत्साहित करबे जोरदार करताली दे स्वागत करतो। ए पुरस्कार जीवन रे थरे मिले जड़े स्टूडेंट को मिले वर्ष को थरे मिले तेणु समस्त भलस पाठ पढ़वा उचित भल नंबर रखवा उचित जड़े भल स्टूडेंट हवा उचित भद्र व्यवहार करवा उचित जीवन रे डिसिप्लिन हवा उचित जा फल सेंट जोसेफ ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन रो रिवार्ड रिकॉग्नाइज मिल परिबो। आपण मानकर जो पिला माने अछंती से माने मध्य पाठ पढ़ी एई पुरस्कार दाबीदार रही परिबे तेणु से माने मन मुताबिक पाठ पढ़तु मन ध्यान दे पाठ पढ़तु निश्चित रूपे आगामी 2026-27 रो निज तरफ किसी संक्षेप से स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड काइंड पाई स्कूल ताको कोन अवदान देछि स्कूल द्वारा से कोन उपकृत होइछथि से सविशेष विवरण कहबो। गुड इवनिंग
Honorable Principal and President of the Annual Day Celebration, congratulations. Honorable Chief Guest, Chief Speaker, Guest of Honor, Principal Sir of the second campus, Chairperson and Founder of the school, Guest and Secretary Madam, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Devendra Janna. I am reading in Standard 10. At firstly, I bow down my head before you for choosing me as Student of the Year. I stand here to share my thoughts about my school with you. My alma mater, St. Joseph Public School, a premier English medium school in this area. I know this award lays a very important and a huge burden on me to guard my action and character in future. I understood this award and my actions in future. Now I am at the tender of age and I have miles to go a long path of future. Full of life, frog, moor and frog. I don't know whether I can live up to your dreams, but I assure you that I will try my best to fulfill your expectations. As a new entrant in Standard 6, I almost spent 4 years in this institution. My days start one third day I enter to the school campus for the first time. The huge buildings, fortifying surrounding walls, green surrounding, all fantastic me a lot. I start liking the school from the beginning. When I sit in silence and think about my school, many sweet memories flash in my mind. In my mind eyes, like pictures in a movie. I have many friends in my school, but at times we are well quarrel in a different our matters. But after some minutes, we become good friends, forgetting all the experience, all the differences between us. I can't help my laughing when I remember such incidents to my memory. Sometimes we have to bear the frowning of our teachers when we fail to do the work given by them. Apart from these bitter memories, there are some sweet memories too. During school hours, we get from the physical contact of our parents. Of how we miss the love, care and affection of our parents. But under the love, care and affection of our teachers, we feel hopefully at school. Learning and teaching is the main business of our school. And our school provides all the sort of necessary tools for learning and teaching accessible to students. Whenever we are in doubt, we casually ask and approach our teacher and our doubt got clarified. Many cultural, social and national programs are also held in our school and we earnestly await for this program because this program gives us an opportunity for a lot of amusement, entertainment and entertainment. School life is the most important life of a student's life because it be a testimony of unforgettable memories, enjoyable and a memorable moment for a student's life. I will never forget my school, ever after I leave it. With this, I seek your blessing and conclude my speech. Thank you.
Sushri Mrityunjay Sahu. Sushri Subham. As a foremost student of our school, you have held high name and fame of the school by your outstanding achievement in the NEET examination. You have made us feel proud by your performance, which has entitled you to get a seat in medical college to pursue MBBS course of study. We expect you to maintain this standard in future and bring Lord to the nation. Thank you.
He has dedicated a beautiful song that performed by our student. Welcome sir. So our institution felicitates on the special occasion to him. Our understanding तरफରୁ प्रताप कुमार दास महोदय को सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट एवं लिरिस्ट ताको पुरस्कृत करिवु। एही पुरस्कार प्रदान करिवे आम गण में उपस्थित थिबा सेक्रेटरी मैडम, चीफ गेस्ट
Sir, as a senior journalist of mass media, known as the fourth pillar of democracy, who have upheld the high standard of journalism. Searching the truth and bringing it to light is basic character of your profession. To your credit, you have received the Journalist Award and 2 times Best Journalist Award of the state from the Samaj. Small story writing edition of Chadaghara and competition of Namaste Bari Annual Day Song St. Joseph Group of Institutions shows your multi-talented personality and dedication to literacy. Thank you.
ठीक है, जोरदार ताली हो जाओ सार को पाई से केते कष्ट करी आप पाई सुंदर गीतटी लिखिथिले जा वेलकमिंग सॉन्ग भाबरे आपण माने देखि सारछंती। थैंक यू सो मच।